Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another episode for my lipstick swatch collection edition. Okay, yes, I will be lip swatching all of my lipsticks in my collection. For what reason? I don't have no reason. No, go ahead and check out the first video. I pretty much mentioned everything on why I wanted to do this. I've been wanting to do this for the longest. I always started off but never finish it, but I was like, this year I'm going to finish it. So yes, once a week I should have some sort of a lip swatch video going on. So sometimes I would do it by the brand if I have a lot of lipsticks for that particular brand or that collection, or sometimes I might just do it by the colors. Okay, and today I'm feeling a little, you know, brownish with my look today. I'm feeling kind of like fall vibes, although it's not fall, but a good brown lip can be worn throughout the whole entire year. So I want to do a little lip swatch of my brown lippy. So I put majority of them in here, as much that can fit. And how many I'm going to swatch in this video, I don't know. I guess until my lip tells me it's enough. So let's see how many I have actually in here. And I got some lipsticks that I've probably never worn or tried in here. And some of y'all don't know this about me, but I love a good brown lip. A brown lip, I feel like you can do so much with a brown lip. You get those 90s vibes era when you wear a brown lip. Or like what I did today, I put a brown lipstick on my lips and then I popped a nude shade right in the center. So you can do so many different things when it comes to a brown lippy. And majority of these are going to be more of my deeper brown shades, so not my nude beigey colors, but more of a, you know, a rich deep brown is what these are going to be targeted at. So as you can see, I got quite a few. So let's go ahead and get this lip swatch going on. And I'm already looking right now. I'm Sally. I feel like today is gonna be the first part of me actually throwing some lipsticks away, because I believe 2 of these ColourPop lipsticks, y'all remember these are old school formula lipsticks from ColourPop. I believe these are officially dried out. One was a collaboration with a YouTuber called I think Ellery. Yeah, Ellery was this one, and this was my favorite brown lipstick. But I just took her, I just opened her, and yeah, she is done for it. I don't know if I'll be able to swatch it on my lip. And then what's this other ColourPop one? So this is why I wanted to do this video, because I need to throw some shades away. So oh yeah, they're done for it. They still swatch really pretty though. I don't know, I might be able to finesse and maneuver a lip swatch with these 2 shades, but after swatch them, I definitely think I need to throw them away, because there's not much that I can actually do with them. So let's get started. So the first shade is going to be by the brand The Lip Bar, and this shade is a matte formula, and her name is Savage. All right, and here is Miss Savage. So Savage definitely has like a red undertone when it comes to this brown, but you can definitely pull her off. And like I said, pop a nude shade right in the center, use her as a lip liner, or you can rock her by herself. She is still giving. So this one's definitely a favorite of mine. This is by Beauty Bakerie, and this is part of the Bite Size collection. So this is a cheaper version of the Beauty Bakerie line that's located at Target and of course your local CVS. And this is in the shade Truffle Maker. And here is Truffle Maker. She is absolutely beautiful, as you can see, yes. Oh, I remember this lipstick. This is an old one. This is by OFRA, and it's called Honolulu. And she definitely gives off, I think, a little bit of a red vibes, if I'm not mistaken. Uh-oh, looks like she's a little dried out too. Okay, so this one is definitely cute. She's not a true like matte brown or anything like that. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but she definitely has a little bit of a kick of like a burgundy undertone to it. I do mean like a kick of it, and then she's absolutely beautiful. I thought this used to be more like metallic, if I was mistaken. She's cute, but I feel like she definitely has a odor to her now. Yeah, I don't know if I can. Ooh, very the smell of it. It smells very like chemically, so I don't know if that's the natural smell of this or if that means this needs to be thrown away. But here is OFRA Miss Honolulu. Alright, the next lipstick is by LIVEGLAM, and this is in the shade Resting Brunch Face. Y'all know what it was meant that they were trying to say. Yes, Resting Brunch Face. And I definitely remember this being another favorite of mine. Ooh, and she's still giving, so it looks like she's not dried out, so I can get to keep her. Now, if I wanted something that's very close to my complexion and just like a pop a really nice brown lip, this would be her. Okay, now I remember why this is my favorite, honey. Look at her. She hasn't fully like dried down, so she's really a nice matte. But what I like about LIVEGLAM formula of lipsticks, like they're very creamy and like easy to glide on, but when they dry down, they're not drying down to the point to where you feel like your lips are like overly like chapped. Like I did a couple of lipsticks already and my lips is already feeling dry, but by me putting this on, she feels fine and I'm so happy. Okay, I gotta bring some more brown lip tutorials because this is definitely giving my zhuzh back for my brown lips. Like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty. All right, here is Resting Brunch Face. Okay, yes, she's very close to my complexion. I think one way I would definitely be able to pull her off and be comfortable with it is adding a gloss because she's so close to my complexion. Like, it looks like I have on foundation on my lips. If my lips were one color, this is what they would look like because I have discoloration when it comes to my lips. Y'all see them, I'm swatching it. So I feel like this would be a nice way of having like, okay, yeah, here's what my lips look like. So I'm gonna leave it like this, but I'm gonna show you guys how I will rock her and be okay with her. So see how I just added that pencil, how I made it look a lot different already. So my lips don't look so muted, like it don't look like I don't have no lips. So now I kind of like gave my lip structure back some structure. So you can leave her like this if you have this lip color. She's still cute. And I'm just gonna go in with a nice clear gloss. Well, she blue, but she clear, okay? She clear. She looks blue, but she clear when she come onto the lips. I'm just gonna show you guys what she look like if I gloss her up. This would definitely be like an everyday type of like on the go where I don't feel like retouching up my lip products because it's so close to my complexion. Now this is how I would rock her. She is super duper 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 cute. Oh my gosh, yes. And I love this cooling effect on my lips, so I definitely needed this because it was getting a little bit dry. My lips were getting a little bit dry right now, so I definitely needed this. This looks so freaking good. I don't even want to take this off now. Like, how many more lip colors we got? Can we stop here? All right, and now I'm gonna be doing my Desert Dry ColourPop lipsticks. I hope they can show up, but let's start with the Lingerie one. This was like my favorite brown lipstick. I think this is what kind of like introduced me into brown lipsticks, was this shade, and this one is called HENNYWAY'S. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. ColourPop need to have a bring it back collection. And it could be like certain eyeshadow palettes that might be sold out and discontinued, whatever. But my focus right now is this lipstick. There's a lot of lipstick that I have from ColourPop in this formula and it's definitely discontinued. I need them to bring this back because look at this brown. Lingerie knew what she was doing when she picked this shade. This is so freaking beautiful. The deepness, the richness of this brown and how matte she is. Of course, she's extra drying right now because this is dried out, but she is such a beautiful color. Oh my goodness. Do I have to throw her away or can I fix this? Y'all leave me a comment down at the bottom. Can I fix this? Because I do not want to throw her away. Oh my gosh, look at her. We gotta keep it for memory's sake because she is absolutely gorgeous. Until I find something that's going to replace this shade and give me this, she's gonna stay in my collection until I find a replace, because even the shades I have swatched so far, they didn't give me this rich brown yet. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. That was definitely rough to take off the list. So now we are going in with another ColourPop dry lipstick. And this one is called Cloudscape, I think. Font is definitely worn out, so she's more crumblier than the other one. There's no hope for this one. Nope. The last three are my Ruby Kisses lipsticks. So I'm gonna go with the lightest to the darkest. Y'all, I've never used these. They still got the plastic over them. So this one is called Cinnamon Swirl. I can definitely tell that this is gonna have like a red undertone to her. She's supposed to be brown, but I'm definitely getting orange vibes. And I told you it was gonna have a little bit of a red undertone just by looking at it, but I didn't got orange. So I don't know if this is still considered brown. I think it is because the packaging and everything is still brown. And I think this was part of Ruby Kisses brown collection. So it had variety of different undertones of brown lipstick. And I just picked like 3 random shades. So yeah, I don't know if I can too much care for this. I'm going to see if I can twerk it by putting on a lip liner, but let's see how she is by herself. So I'm just going to put a little bit of a lip liner on to see if she's worth keeping. Okay, I definitely feel like I'm more comfortable with her now with the lip liner on. I just feel like she would be a cute shade to wear if you have like a nude eye. I feel like with my eye makeup right now, it's making this look a lot more red and brown than what I would like it to be. So I feel like she would look beautiful by herself, but not with my eye combo right now. So I think I might keep her. I think I can make this one work. Now let me know, should I keep her or should I toss her? All right, so the next shade is called Nutella A. I think that's how you pronounce this. I'm probably like screwing up this name. She's never been opened. I just took the wrapper off of her. So I think this is gonna have a little bit of a red undertone too. So let's go ahead and give her a go. This is a different type of brown. I feel like this whole collection so far has been very different with the brown undertones. And you know what? I can't even knock them because this is different. So I give them credit for trying like different brown shades. Some people might like brick red browns. For me, I don't. I like more of a deeper chocolate brown. But I don't know. I don't know if I would keep this one. She's definitely more of a red brown. We're at the last one now, and honestly, y'all, my lips still feel really good, but I'm so glad it's the last one. So it's the last one from the Ruby Kisses collection, and this one is called Espresso. And usually when they put espresso on a brown, it's usually the deepest brown they have. So let's see how espresso looks. All right, here is espresso. I like espresso. So this is my type of brown lippy that I lean toward. It's that deep brown. So I don't know about the other ones. They were different, but I like this one a lot better. I knew espresso was gonna be like the grand finale. Like, I knew it. All right, you guys, so this is the ending of the brown lippy lip swatch party is what we're gonna call it. It was a party, and I decided to swatch all of them on the back of my hand just to see the different undertones and stuff that these browns represent. Look at this, y'all. You can oddly see the orange and the reds and stuff of the Ruby Kisses, but look at these shades. None of them look similar. The only two who I can kind of sort of look similar, I will say, is the second shade, which is that Beauty Bakery. It's very similar to that Live Glam one, but nothing compared to that ColourPop one. Yeah, I'm not ready to toss her because she's too cute. And I believe I have more brown shades in my collection. And I did swatch a couple of other brown lippies that I did not include because I already swatched them, and I just don't feel like it's smart to double swatch them already. So I did swatch. I have a 15 one and I have a Lime Crime one, and I already have a lip swatch on both of those, so I will link those down at the bottom. But that is pretty much it. You guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys at my next lip swatch party.